This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix unable to check for update on iPhone. So if you're trying to update the new iOS version but you are facing this issue, follow these easy steps to fix it. The first solution is check your internet working or not. To check, open a browser and open a random website. If the website not working or not loading, then open Control Center and enable airplane mode for 20 seconds and then turn it back off. And you can switch your internet between Wi-Fi to cellular or cellular to Wi-Fi and must use a strong internet connection and then try to reinstall the iOS. The second solution is restart your iPhone. Sometimes restarting your iPhone can fix this kind of problem. So restart your iPhone and then try to reinstall the iOS version. The third solution is reset network settings. Go to your iPhone settings, scroll down and tap on General. Scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Reset network settings. Once done, check the issue. The last solution is check your iPhone storage. Go to your iPhone settings, tap on General, tap on iPhone storage. If you see your iPhone storage is almost full, you can find out some unnecessary apps and games and you can offload or delete them to free up your iPhone storage. And remember one thing, that before updating the iOS version, you must need minimum 5 GB free space. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5 Minute Solution. See you in the next video.